Is your iCloud mail showing a server connection error and refusing to work no matter what you try? Well, a server connection error in iCloud Mail can completely disrupt your entire email experience, whether it's stopping you from sending messages, receiving new emails, or simply accessing your inbox altogether. And that's what we're going to solve for you in this video using effective solutions. Also, dial the numbers on the screen if you're facing any more issues, so you can get one-on-one expert assistance. Now, let's jump right into the solutions. Go to the search section in the taskbar on your computer and search for Network Reset. Once you see the option, then click on it. After that, click on the Reset Now option on the open page. Wait for the reset to complete and then check if your problem has been resolved. If your iCloud server issue is gone, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. But if the problem still persists, then continue with the further steps. Go to the search section again and type Allow Firewall. Next, click on the Allow an app through Windows Firewall option. On the open page, click on the Change Settings. After that, ensure that Bonjour and iTunes checkboxes are selected. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.